Good morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning, good morning!
It's that bright, it's really sunny and hot.
I can't see a thing.
Yeah, it's really bright. We've got an audience, by the way, you can hear in the background.
Again, we always have something. Not crickets, it's bloody birds.
We've just arrived at Dollar Tree, so we're going to have a...
I'm going to get some bits and bats, and then we're going to go for something to eat at Chick-fil-A finally, and then we're off to Animal Kingdom today.
So we'll see you there. Guys, so we're just arriving now at the Dollar Tree. Check out that sky, amazing. And we'll see you inside.
Never have too much candy, I really like that. That's great.
Check our treat bag.
Julie eyes. Is it another pumpkin? Oh, they're nice little surprise.
Can you even decorate your tree?
Look, we have now light sweet and sour ones. Getting a bag of them. Candy canes.
Oh yeah, real candy canes.
I've had them all along the garden. And little sweet cauldrons. That's all, there's not much left. These Bon Bamboo.
Loads of candy. Loads of candy.
Pixie sticks, pick sticks.
Tootsie Roll.
I don't like Tootsie Rolls.
Oh. Nice.
Double bubble. Oh, what are them? Look at them. Skulls and
Skull and
bones.
bones.
Peanut butter kisses. Oh, they're not all treat bags there. Bubblegum eyeballs.
Laffy Taffy.
Oh, ring. Got ring pops as well.
Ring pops.
What are these? All like that. I'm gonna get that. That's cute. Pumpkin one as well. So we just got to our favourite food place, and it's super cheap as well. Taster, Chick-fil-A. Woof, that was close to nearly smash on the car park. Yeah, Chick-fil-A. We're gonna get a deluxe Chick-fil-A burger and a cookies and cream milkshake because they're just the best. So we're gonna go inside now.
So we'll see you inside, guys. Check out the big fries, guys. Can't get them back home.
Unless you go where? Macros. Or Chick-fil-A sauce, just best. So, opinions. Do you prefer KFC or Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
KFC's quite decent.
I absolutely love Chick-fil-A. How come we never came across it though until like, was it me? So I said let's go. We never came across it in all the times we've been before. They've been open for years. Yeah, been open longer than you've been alive. I like so. Wow.
He said, you want the cherry on top? I said, yeah, get the cherry on top, mate.
What's my cherry on top? I don't know, like, You could just pick it off though.
23rd of May 1946.
Wow. No way. Really? Fun fact for you. That's an actual jacket potato.
That's mine.
My packet that you just put your packet in. Look how green that lettuce is. Yes, thank you. Very sorry about that. Yes, okay, thank you very much. My pleasure. Right, okay. Anyway,
Look at my chips, man.
I think you're finding out chips.
Waffles. Potato.
Oh, why did you do it? Why did I get it in the eye?
Potato waffles.
I don't think you're funny.
You want some cherry?
Oh, wait. That's an offer I can't refuse, isn't it? No, because I've not ate my food. I've just realised. I put it in there.
The sugar's gone the same way.
Yeah, I know, but I've been a bit weird, wouldn't it? Like cringe.
That's what I should do.
Have you seen how green that lettuce is? Can we just take a minute to appreciate how green that lettuce is? It's fresh.
That's Floridian lettuce.
Oh!
Is that helicopter? Right.
It's one of them
Cookies
things
and
that
cream.
it's one of them things where like you start drinking, you can't stop drinking it. You just keep supping on it. It's so nice. How cool are these sauces? You get rubbish little packets at home, and when you ask for them at the till, they literally give you like 1 or 2 packets, don't they? Here you can just get where you are getting. They're like massive. You can either dip or squeeze.
Don't tell Chick-fil-A, but take them to the villa.
And you're gonna know anyway because it's on a vlog. I'm not being funny. About 5 cameras over there. Yeah. If he didn't hear you, that cow did behind. Are we gonna go see some monkeys? Go in Animal Kingdom. Do you ever been there before me?
Oh, them again.
Do you remember the gorilla?
So we've just arrived at Animal Kingdom. Gonna go and see some monkeys, babe.
Yeah.
You are a monkey, you should be in there.
No,
Yay! Rude. Oh, cute little photo spot there. Can't even think of the words. Found some weirdo. Hi, Mr. Weirdo. Going in Animal Kingdom, baby. Ooh, look at big helicopter there. Hello, Mickey. Where's he going, the annual? Where are you going? You wish, babe, babe. You wish. You're going in the wrong lane. Oh. Forgot what I'm doing. It's been that long.
there he is. Say hello. Say hi to YouTube.
It's actually cool. Above a rooster.
For Jessica. Jessica's not going to stop and sell the flowers this week.
I think he's at too much onion rings. So here we go, guys.
Tree of life.
Tree of life. Right in front of us.
Imagine that in your back garden.
Oh yeah.
Back garden.
Una noche en la que me suplico que no salga el sol. Bailando, bailando, el cuerpo y el mío llenando el vacío y subiendo y bajando. Bailando, bailando, ese fuego por dentro me va enloqueciendo, me va saturando.
Of course.
Perfect.
Quack.
So do you want me to put it back up? We have plenty of time. It's only like an hour. You know what I mean? I just see the other that happens. That's because someone else doesn't do it right. Well, I don't know.
Can you spill for me?
We're in Pandora now. The first time ever. Wow. Magical. And them eggs. Can you feel something?
No. Hear the beat. Heartbeat.
Like you see these so many times on Instagram and stuff, but just not even compare like in real life. It is on a complete other level. Pictures just don't, or videos don't do this any justice.
What do you watch?
Razor. Wow. How amazing is that?
That's cool.
At night, that's what we're staying for. Well, hopefully.
What now we consider after their great size? What place do we call here? And down here, the young Navi who are pouring on their Well, first, let's start right here. Put our hands together, trunk roll with us. Get those hands moving. That's you in the back. Now join us. All right, we'll start with a simple rhythm. Here we go. Yes. Now you. Hey. Woo. All right, it's a great start. Great start. Hey, we'll keep those hands going. Because here comes your second challenge. Woo. Now you. There you go. Yeah! Yeah, that's right. Keep it going now. All right, everybody else. Once again, put your hands together right here. Come on with us.
Of all the gleaming planets in our vast universe, it is only here on Earth that water and light harmoniously unite to create the wonder of life. We most graciously welcome you to a timeless celebration of water and light, with roots as far-reaching as time itself. Here, where the forces of nature meet in harmony, the spirits of the animals are freed to dance together in a night sky, creating rivers of light. We are united in this special place to celebrate the magnificence and wonder of all living creatures, for in life we are all one.
gone away, it's all called. Every creature, great and small, stand alone, we stand bruised forever. Raise your hands to the sky, on this journey you and I will grow stronger than we know. We stand together. Feel the wind, taste the wind, and touch the earth, and take it in. Touch the sea, feel the light, live the fullness of this life. Stand strong, pushing more, we are one. We are one. Flowing in the wilderness, we are one. Touch the earth, feel the sun, we are one. Touch the earth, feel the sun, we are one.
We do hope that you have enjoyed Rivers of Light.
Okay,
Hi,
so we've just come, where have we just come back from?
I'm Muckingdon,
What was the last thing you just watched?
Rivers of Light.
And what did you think?
Amazing.
Spectacular. So now we've just come into Burger Thing. What have you got?
A large.
Whopper.
Large.
Whopper. What I've got a Whopper, fries, these.
Check out size.
Whoa, hang on. Chicken fries, Jazzy's drink,
Large.
crazy. And I've gone for this as well, because you know, like you do. Oreo, cheesecake, and my fries. Sweet and sour sauce I've gone for as well. And Angel.
Angel got me chips and my ice cream.
She did. Yeah. Can you see it?
They're cheesy tots.
Yeah, and what's your point?
I thought it was chicken sticks.
I still don't get it though. What are you going?
This is why I need a serviette. No laughing matter.
Oh, you have a big piece of weight just stuck in your face.
Is it?
No, it was. Not now. How's your cheesy whopper?
Nice. It goes cold fast, doesn't it? Come on. I need this warming up, pal.
Take it back then.
Now they give me a new one, then I can't eat it.
Take it home, save it. Save it for your breakfast. It's a beast, isn't it?
So I got my fries as well.
It's the biggest whopper I've ever seen.
I always use eating my fries first, then my burger.
Did you know the Wi-Fi is called Whopper Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
It's funny that. I've got hiccups now. Again. Not had them for a while.
I've not
That's
had
because
them
it'd be
for
the
a
pig.
while.
You've had a Whopper, you've had chicken sticks,
That's chicken fries, not chicken
and
sticks.
fries, and an Oreo cheesecake.
I know I'm a pig. And I've eaten it all. Well,
I can't even
I'm
do
lying.
You could have done it all on my cake.
I'm choking it now. Choking on the coldness.
Is that a Thousand Island sauce?
What?
That sauce?
It kind of tastes like it, doesn't it?
No. Does that mean they picked
Just sit him and die.
No.
Does that mean they picked every single ingredient from a Thousand Island? Why is it called a Thousand Island? Come on, that's Siri.
What else are we asking Siri now? I forgot.
We're asking her if animalistic is a word and what does it mean?
Yeah.
Animalistic.
Guys, check this out.
How can you say serious like that?
Animalistic is a word, isn't it? Yes? Check it out.
No, it's not.
Comment downstairs.
You know you still got your crown on.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Is it keeping your head warm?
You wear the crown.
Is it keeping your head warm?
It was. Stop the aircon getting in my head.
I don't even know what he said about that Whopper anymore. Not the swear bit, but before that. Are you gonna vlog the vlogger? Flopper? What did you say?
Will you vlog the vlogger Whopper?
He said you vlogging the vlogger Whopper. So we've had a good day at Animal Kingdom.
I repeat, Animal Kingdom.
Finished with Rivers of Light, and now we've come to Burger King, and we're going to call it a night now. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell for future notifications. Nice.
And check out our vids.
Shut up.